Monday, another bullish day. However, we are just up 0.35%. So again, the inch the inchworm bull market continues, and again, that's usually why I wait for the first half of Monday to kind of play out. We've hit 67.53 ish, maybe 52 today. I think that's a little off, but this move, 63.70 from early September all the way up here now to 67.53 is a 6% move. And balanced market is right back here at 6,500. So we're way out of balance. And if you're buying here, you're chasing. I can't buy, and I really haven't begun selling. I would like to see maybe some type of break under 6,700, but we're just not seeing it. So this market continues to, again, the buy and holders are killing it. All you got to do is sit there. Your long-term portfolios are printing it. The short-term traders are sitting on their hands if they're smart, because you're just getting chopped. There are no pullbacks really to buy. Overnight, we traded down to, again, 66.95 or so, which to me was not a huge area. I might have bought if we went down to 66.70 overnight, but we didn't get there. So I'm just not getting involved on the long side, unfortunately, and at this late juncture at least. And we just continue to grind up. So keep this in mind. Everything for me, very bullish. NVIDIA talks that they're going to invest $100 billion into OpenAI. Great. The machines will run the world. Continues to be the glorious story of the day. But the way I see it, I think you just have to sit in your hands here. I can't buy this. I just cannot buy it up in here after we've run 6% in less than a month, in about 3 weeks. Little just starting the fourth week. So we're up considerably daily for going into the fourth week in a row. It's unusual to see these kinds of ramps, especially with everything that's going on in the world. The Middle East, United Nations is talking about, creating a Palestinian state, which is bizarre, but that's what they want to do. They want to create chaos and disorder. So we continue down those roads, and again, a lot of flexing going on in the Middle East, a lot of flexing, and I wouldn't be surprised to see some other bombs being thrown besides the one Israel's been throwing the last year and a half or so. So anyways, that's it. Again, be careful out there. 6% rally already in September. And today is the 22nd, I believe, right? Yeah. So we at this point, I don't know why we would sell off, but I don't know why we'd continue going up. And that's where we are. So have a good one. Again, balance down here, 6,500. I would love to buy that area today, but that's 250 points below us. Have a great afternoon. Be careful out there trading. Be careful chasing. It's a dangerous market.